More interesting model kits from the 60s. The brand is VEB-KVZ from Democratic German Republic at that time. This is the DC-8, the big DC-8 from KLM airline and livery. So I don't see any brand logo on the cover, but no problem. It is KVZ anyway. No signature of the artist. I cannot see it. The registration is Papa Hotel Oscar Tango Alpha. That's a great Dutch airline. Dimensions of the box: 42 centimeters by 22 centimeters by 4 centimeters. Other models you could get to your collection: Tupolev 144 again, the Tupolev 134, and Il-18. This drawing in blue background, blue DC-8. This is the logo, I think. Antonov 24, the Comet 4, and written in German. This in English. This is in English. Airplane model kit in French and in Spanish. In 1/100 scale. As you see. At the bottom, only this reference, Rasno, or maybe the kit 57504, the kit number, I think. Well, let's open the box and see what we have inside. Again, this paper with these years: 1978, 1979, and 1980. A, B, C, D, some references for the web plastic card. Well, that's so old but still alive. Building instructions. This is the instructions only showing the model kit already built by using everything placed in the right place, and positioning the water stickers, the livery, and the sprue map. It's got 60 pieces. I counted. So nice. Anyway, it is written in maybe in Russian, and let's check. Let's check more about this part. Everything in German and Russian. Sorry. But this is only the information we have graphically. These beautiful water stickers, they are suggesting not to paint the model. I mean, at the upper side, no problem, because it's got all the colors available. The KLM logo, the registration. It's Delta, no Oscar. That's Delta. Royal Dutch Airlines. Yes, and this is the other part. The other side, this is the right side, and this one is left side. Right side, left side. Still in great condition. The clear coat is perfect. No cracked, no problem. The only problem I see is it is so big. So you have to be so experienced by applying this kind of stickers or water stickers. What do you think about this? I really love this water stickers, original and unused decal sheet. Let's check the fuselage halves. This is the left side. Perfect, with the door, windows, some flash right here, as you see, some a little reference of this door, baggage door, I think. No panel lines, it is so smooth. That's the vertical fin. Let's check the other side, the inner part. No big deal about that. That's so simple. Let's check the other side. That's the right side. Great. Completely smooth. Some flash. We have to remove them. But the plastic is so strong, in very, very nice quality condition. I really love them. Some panel lines right here, no big deal about that. The inner part, the inside. Let's check the fitting style by using pins and holes. No tabs. Got it. Pin styles, pin references are not so accurate like the tabs, but let's check anyway. That's the hole for the antenna. It sounds so nice. The pin has broken. I really love the tabs instead. We gotta be so careful with it. No slot for display stand, because this model has no display stand. Okay, let's check again the sprue map. No display stand shown. Well, let's check more parts. Let's check the wings. 4 halves for the wings. Wings. Some slots references for the engines. This part is for the landing gear struts. This part is the upper side. Yes. We have to paint these wings with aluminum painting. Let's check more parts. The engine sprues, it must be placed right here. But anyway, let's check the engine style from the 60s. Some flash, must remove them. Yes, some flash. Let's Let's check more. Tail wings in just one piece, no halves. That's easier, I think. Trans-clear parts, a lot of windows. These windows and the windscreen. Oh yeah! Aluminium parts, I mean aluminium finishing parts. Landing gear doors. Antenna, the fans and the exhaust pipes, the struts, landing gear struts. Perfect. Very good detailed. Nice. And this last one, the landing gear wheels in black. Great. Well, that's it about this wonderful model kit. I hope to build it soon, because I have a lot of them. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video, and let's go on to the next review. Bye bye.